Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add option list settings on the Webull application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Click on the menu icon down below in the right side corner and tap on Settings in the Shortcuts section. Then tap on Options List Settings, which is the fourth option. Tap on Strikes, and here you can select the number of strikes, the expiration type, regular, weeklies or quarterlies. Deliverables can be set, such as standard or non-standard. Then you can set the list style, which is list view or straddle view. Then you can sort by strike price, ascending or descending, and you can set the columns as well. When you are done, just simply tap on this button in the upper left corner of the screen and all of your options, these settings will be updated automatically. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.